I'd like to wish a happy Valentine's Day to all my friends and subscribers on YouTube, however you celebrate. I know some of you don't celebrate at all, or you just celebrate with friends, or you might not have a significant other, so you just celebrate with friends or family, all different ways, or maybe don't celebrate at all. I almost didn't make this video, but here, I just want to show you. Look at these beautiful sculptures that were in the restaurant we go to. Look, it's all made out of silverware. It's so cool. So I almost wasn't going to make this video, but so I'm just making it a real quick video because I went ahead and made some videos and pictures. Okay, this is my cat Maggie Moo, and she is so cute. She lays on her back for the longest time and lets you pet and cuddle with her. And I don't know what that has to do with Valentine's Day, but it happened on. We celebrated yesterday on the 13th so we can avoid the crowds. And they had a Valentine's Day tree at the restaurant. So cool. And this cute little Valentine's Day stuffed animal creature and beautiful tablescapes. And this was our table, and we shared a bottle of wine, Malbec wine from Australia. It's my favorite red wine. Oh, this is my pasta medley, which was tons of vegetables with pesto sauce on linguine. My husband does not like to be in my vlog, so that's looking across the table at what he ordered, which was crab cake stuffed, mashed potatoes, and broccoli. And that was my Oreo cake dessert. And he ordered Snicker bar cheesecake, and we shared each other's desserts. Another view of the inside of the beautiful restaurant. So however you celebrate or don't celebrate, or if you do celebrate, happy Valentine's Day to you, to all my friends and subscribers.